and they're sent to the mission fields. And one of these is ICC. Their treasure is the gift of themselves, the suffering, the offering, and the love of Christ that they share through education. And their talent is set for quality education so that the students will really be nurtured. You came to ICC as, I think, some of your small children. You came to ICC and met the sisters. You enjoyed the firm discipline because of the quality of education. The sisters' love for you to bring out the best in yourselves so that you would become what God wants you to be. Today, we see that in ICC, the seed of God's love and all the treasures that go with it was sown in you. That seed has come to blossom today. The love in your heart has become your love for the children that you saw, the love of the work that was done here, and it has blossomed into the gift that you have brought today. Today it is very touching that ICC students have the wisdom, the love, all that needed to meet the needs of the children who are with difficulties and to help us to bring that work to fruition. It is the love for the children, and I think the love for the sisters that has brought you here. And I thank you very much for that. So the love you receive, now the love you give. And that makes this day a very beautiful day, a special day, a day to remember, a day to treasure, a day to thank God for, and to thank everyone. Thank you for the gift.